Hi, and welcome to an Oil a Day Essentials Wellness with Carmen. I'm looking forward and excited to share with you this little hack and making your own makeup setting spray. I'm using just a simple bottle that I picked up over at Walmart. It's like 50 cents, but it holds the exact amount, which is perfect, so I can keep it in my purse. Makeup setting spray helps your makeup, after you spend all that time putting it on, last just those few hours longer. It can be refreshing, it's cooling, you can use it anytime. And the two oils that I am using are ylang ylang and lavender. And both of these beautiful oils have amazing rejuvenation properties and just very soothing to the skin. So what I've done is it takes just basic ingredients of water, aloe vera juice, witch hazel, and essential oils. So I've put 3 tablespoons of water in this cup right here, and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. So got it mixed up. So the first thing I'll do is add a little bit of the liquid. And that's the water, aloe vera juice, and witch hazel. And get it in there. These little funnels make it so easy and convenient. So there's about halfway. And to this I'll put 3 drops each. First of lavender. And then of ylang ylang. This is also very relaxing. So I'll kind of swish it around in there. And just a little side note hack with lavender, whenever I purchase a new mascara, I add 1 drop of lavender essential oil and put the spritzer on, shake it up, and my hands are wet, but there we go. Now it's ready to mist. So pump it, nice prime, I hold it away. Make sure you close your eyes. It smells wonderful. And it's going to help my makeup last just that much longer. So I was saying with the lavender, I put 1 drop in my mascara case, mix that mascara around, and that helps, almost like a preservative in my mascara. It helps keep the bacteria down or non-existent in that tube, and helps my mascara not dry out and get all clumpy. So there's 2 wonderful ways to help with your makeup. Makeup setting spray and a little drop of lavender in your mascara. Hope you have a great day and happy makeuping. See you next time. And welcome to an Oil a Day Essentials with whoops, doesn't want you. There you go. Just pour it a little bit back in.